We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam. I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro M127fn. So first thing first, if you don't see where your page has already fed into the output assembly, you're going to need to check under your toner cartridge and you may need to remove it. So you want to lift this page up and pull out your toner cartridge, and then you should see the paper right here. Go ahead and gently just try to pull that out. You don't want to yank it, because if you yank it, it'll maybe rip some pieces off and it could cause further damage and further jams. So go ahead and if it's under here, pull it out slowly. When you're done, then just put your toner cartridge back in. Wrong way. Once you hear it click, then you know it's in. If your paper has fed to the top output assembly, what you're going to want to do is, with both hands, gently pull to remove your jam. And you just want to pull straight out. Sometimes it could be a little tricky. But like I said, you don't want to yank it. If you get pieces in there, it could damage sensors and stuff. Alright, now I have removed my jam. Then what you need to do, turn your printer back on, and then it should start initializing. If you're still seeing issues after clearing a jam and it's continually happening, go ahead and give us a call. It may be time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.